Hey guys, it's Mekila. Welcome back to another video. So today is actually not today. Okay, it is today, but what time is it right now? Let me see. Oh my god, wait. Oh, jam berapa? 9? Okay, it's literally 9 o'clock. 9:30 I guess. And right now my mom and I is cleaning my room. Like for the second time for this year. I mean, like for the first time that we do this year, we never do a video. So this second time might be doing right now, which is right now. So yeah, mostly this video will do it as a time lapse. So enjoy, I guess, or yeah, take it or leave it. Okay, bye bye. Hey guys, so right now it's currently, what time is it already? Yeah. It's already 11:34 p.m. So the result is this, how it looks like. I didn't do any kind of time lapse just now because I forgot. Funny kan? I mean hilarious kan? Ridiculous, yeah. So yeah, it will be a weird cleaning video ever for me. So this is how it looks like. So this is the bed, and so this is the bed. So that's my art wall that I've been doing lately since like last year. So here's an update. I'm gonna show you guys. Here's the update. So there's news to this switch here that I made, and a picture with Farah and Megan with Farah, and my art case phone that turns out ugly, and a Rome postcard, and yeah, can you believe that's also a new one, which is the sticker banana. Yeah, we had to. So this is how it looks like. The art wall, it's getting bigger. Yeah, and I really love it. Actually, the first art wall was that one, the big canvas, but right now it's getting bigger than I ever thought, that I have expected. Yeah, so this is the art wall, and as you guys can see, here's my stuff that I always put for my stationery. It's a little bit messy here, but yeah, and this is section where I put all of my arts, and down there those my bag I haven't finished. So yeah, and those are another book and extra files and junk that I don't know what to do. And here's my mom and my dad picture when they were young, and here's the keyboard and my trophies, my printer, my hairdryer. And this is the art wall that will never work, and I just don't know what to do here. I want to remove, but I'm scared. I'm scared the wall will like dicabut. Courage. Yeah, dicabut is rip off, whatever. So this is my desk. Yeah, I changed my desk to my sister, my little sister, because I pity over her. So yeah, whatever. So here's a lot of storybooks that I've read so far, and some of my brushes and my arts, color, blah blah blah, and padlock, and my favorite spec that I was from to this, which is I want to do the art but I haven't made, and dictionary, another book, and I don't know what. Yeah, so another fun fact of this part is my vanity dresser. So oh yeah, I forgot about this one. So yeah, this is also another update, which is this one. I got this from my birthday last year. Naziha gave me on SPM, and because my birthday is on SPM, so yeah. And this one that I made, which is I really adore my art, and that's me, little Akira. And here's are my bag. Yeah, so this one is H&M from Farah, and that one is from my grandma's shop, and this one I got it from Life Warehouse Malaysia, and this one is from Kaison, and this one is Roxy, and this one is Everlast. So that's yeah, my first bag for secondary school. Yeah, that one. So this is my vanity dress, which is I really love it. So this is how it looks like. So this is where I put all of my teddy bears because my mom won't let me put on my bed. So faham je lah. Okay, so here what we have here is my phone, obviously, and my Polaroid Instax camera, my Uniqlo glasses, my AirPods. I call it AirPods, but it's supposed to be named Import. And I don't know where to put this, so I just gotta put there because it's yellow. And my brushes, and my lens over there, and all of my stuff. Look at that, yeah. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so right over here, oh my god, it just falls out. Okay, it's supposed to be stand up, but whatever, yeah. So this is, if you guys know, this mirror can slide to the next, okay? So let's check it out. Okay, so what we have here is all of my perfumes that I always use, my foundation brushes, and my Paris chain, and my grandma and I when I was little, and my electronic dictionary Vesta, and my Instax film, and the toolkit, the toolbox, and that's it. And also a picture with my friends, my classmate, my little brother, my little sis, and with my homie, and with my mom when I was year 5, primary 5 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I'm gonna close it back here. So basically what I'm doing right now is already turns out to be a room tour, but not specific. Okay, you get it what I mean? Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's really short term video, but I'm sorry, I had to. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what should I do after this video. Yeah, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, good night guys, bye.